When it comes to rotted window frames, we, of course, see a lot of them, meaning that I would say that the majority of people that are in that particular situation would go towards the replacement avenue versus repair. Repairing a existing rotted window frame can be sometimes challenging, depending upon, I guess, where that rot is at. If it's surface rot, if it's just on the trim itself, which may appear that it's a part of the window, of course, that is something that could potentially be, easily rectified without replacement of that particular window. But if you've got, a frame of the window that has got rot in it, repairing that and expecting it to perform the way that you want it to perform, whether it's movement or energy management, that's just simply not going to happen. So our recommendation would be that you replace that window in totality, which will allow us to remove said existing rotted window frame and go back with a material that is not going to have those issues anymore. Of course, if it's rotted, meaning that it is wood, most people are not selecting to go back with a wood product, especially on the exterior of the home. We offer a very broad range of different materials. We offer a lot of products that are vinyl, both in and out. We then will jump to your composite world. We sell Anderson 100 and your Marvin Essential, which is a true 100% fiberglass product. And then we'll move along to our wood options. Wood primarily, again, being on the inside of the house. People want the beauty of the wood, the opportunity to custom finish it, whether it's a stain or a paint, without the maintenance of the wood on the exterior of the home.